In the heart of the ancient Koryo land, nestled by a sparkling river and tall, green mountains, lay a quiet village. Here lived a bright and brave girl named Hana, along with her younger brother, Joon. Their home was humble, but their hearts were full of kindness, a lesson taught by their parents every single day. One year, the sun burned too brightly in the sky. The cheerful river began to shrink, and the green fields turned dusty brown. A great drought had fallen upon the land. The villagers grew worried, their faces etched with concern. The village chief, a wise old man, gathered everyone. "The river spirit must be unhappy," he sighed. "Our fields are thirsty, and our hearts are heavy." Hana, seeing the worry in her brother's eyes, decided she had to do something. The next morning, as the sun peeked over the mountains, she took the last of their water and poured it into a small bowl for a tiny, wilting flower in their garden. "Don't worry, little one," she whispered. "We share what we have." Suddenly, a flash of black and white swooped down and landed on the fence. Asterisk, chirp, dash chirp. Asterisk, it was a magpie, but this was no ordinary bird. It tilted its head and spoke in a clear voice. "Hana, your kindness has not gone unnoticed. The heart of the mountain is sad, and that is why the river weeps no more." Hana was astonished. "A talking magpie, can you help us? Our village is suffering." The magpie replied, "The path to the mountain's heart is hidden, but kindness is your compass, and honesty is your map. Follow the whispers of the wind, and you will find your way." With a whoosh of its wings, it flew away, leaving behind a single, shimmering black feather. Hana gently picked up the feather. She turned to Joon, who had watched the whole thing with wide eyes. "Joon, will you come with me? We must help our village." Joon nodded bravely, his small hand finding his sister's. They started their journey, following the direction the magpie had flown. The path was dry and cracked. Soon, they heard a faint rustling sound. Hiding behind a bush was a young deer, its leg caught in a thorny vine. It looked at them with fearful eyes. While others might have seen the deer as just an animal, Hana remembered the magpie's words. She knelt down slowly. "It's okay, we're here to help." With Joon's help, she carefully untangled the sharp thorns from the deer's leg. Asterisk, swish, snap. Asterisk, the deer was free. It licked Hana's hand in thanks before bounding away into the forest, leaving behind a smooth, grey stone that pulsed with a gentle light. Holding the glowing stone, Hana and Joon continued. The air grew cooler as they walked deeper into the woods. They soon reached a stream that had dwindled to a series of shallow puddles. In one puddle, an old turtle was stuck in the mud, struggling to move. "Oh, you poor thing," Joon exclaimed. He and Hana worked together, using their hands to scoop away the thick mud. It was sticky and messy, but they didn't give up. With a final gentle push, the turtle was freed. It blinked its ancient eyes and spoke in a slow, deep voice. "Your hearts are as clear as the morning dew. The mountain's heart is guarded by the wise bamboo. Tell it that Hana and Joon carry the light of kindness." The turtle then swam into a deeper part of the stream and disappeared, leaving a single, perfect green leaf floating on the water. Hana placed the leaf with the feather and the stone. They felt a soft pull, guiding them further up the mountain. Finally, they arrived at a grove of tall, elegant bamboo stalks. They swayed in the wind, making a whispering sound. Asterisk, swoosh, she, Asterisk 1, bamboo stalk stood taller than the rest. It seemed to glow with an inner light. "Who comes seeking the heart of the mountain?" A voice echoed from the bamboo. Hana stepped forward, her voice clear and steady. "I am Hana, and this is my brother, Joon. We come from the village below. Our home is in need, and we were told that kindness and honesty could help. Kindness is easy to show, but honesty is a deeper well." The wise bamboo rustled. "A greedy man from your village came before you. He took a precious seed from this grove, promising to plant it for the good of all. But instead, he hid it for himself, hoping to grow a forest of riches. His selfishness broke the harmony, and the mountain's heart grew heavy with sadness." Hana and Joon looked at each other. They didn't know who this man was, but they understood the problem. It wasn't a monster or a curse. It was a broken promise. A dishonest heart had hurt everyone. "We don't have any riches," Hana said, "but we have these." She held out the magpie's feather, the deer's stone, and the turtle's leaf. They were gifts, given for small acts of kindness. The wise bamboo bent low. "These are greater than any treasure. They are tokens of a pure heart. The strength of your village comes not from what one person can take, but from what all of you can give together. Go back, Tell your village that honesty must be replanted in your homes for the land to heal." As the bamboo finished speaking, a single, tiny seed dropped into Hana's open palm. It glowed with a warm, golden light. Hana and Joon hurried back to the village. The chief had gathered everyone, their faces long with despair. Hana walked to the center and told them everything about the talking magpie, the trapped deer, the stuck turtle, and the words of the wise, bamboo. When she spoke of the greedy man and the stolen seed, a farmer at the edge of the crowd hung his head in shame. He stepped forward, holding a seed identical to the one in Hana's hand. "It was me," he confessed, tears in his eyes. "I was afraid for my family. I thought if I had my own magic, we would be safe. I was wrong. My secret has hurt us all." He placed his seed on the ground. The village chief looked at him not with anger, but with understanding. Honesty is the first step to mending what is broken. Hana then placed her glowing seed next to the farmer's as. The two seeds touched. A brilliant light shone from them. Asterisk whoosh. Asterisk a gentle wind swept through the village, carrying the scent of rain. The sky, which had been clear and empty, began to fill with soft, grey clouds. And then a drop of rain fell, then another, and another. Asterisk plink plonk patter dot asterisk. The villagers cheered, their faces turned up to the sky. The rain fell gently, washing the dust from the leaves and filling the riverbed once more. The wilting flower in Hana's garden perked up, and a beautiful singing voice seemed to float from its petals, a song of thanks. The village learned a powerful lesson that day. It wasn't magic that saved them, but the simple, honest goodness that started in Hana's home and spread through the whole community. Just as Confucius taught, the strength of a nation, or even a small village, truly comes from the integrity of the home. And so, Hana and Joon continued to live with kind hearts, reminding everyone that a small act of honesty, like a single drop of rain, can help make the whole world bloom again. Thank you for joining our story tonight. We hope it filled your heart with warmth and wonder. If you enjoyed our adventure in Koryo, please give us a like and subscribe for more magical bedtime tales. May your dreams be as peaceful as a quiet river and as bright as a field of flowers. Sweet dreams, and good night.